The Crusades, where faith, ambition, and empires collided. These epic conflicts weren't just about battles. They were about ideas, cultures, and lasting change that shaped our world. But how exactly did they transform Europe and the Middle East? Stick around to find out. The year is 1095. The mighty Byzantine Empire is under pressure from the Seljuk Turks. In a desperate bid for help, Emperor Alexios I turns to the west. Enter Pope Urban II. At the Council of Clermont, his fiery speech stirs the hearts of thousands. He proclaims Deus vult, or God wills it. His promise of absolution for sins spurred thousands to take up the cross. And with that, the stage is set for one of the most dramatic chapters in history. Imagine this: from European kingdoms like France, England, and the Holy Roman Empire, thousands of knights, peasants, and even children marching toward the unknown, driven by faith and the promise of absolution. Their goal? To reclaim the Holy Land from Muslim control. But this wasn't just a European story. Muslim states like the Seljuk Turks and Saladin's Ayyubid dynasty prepared to defend their lands. And then there's the Byzantine Empire, part ally, part rival, navigating a treacherous game of power. Let's talk about the rollercoaster ride of the Crusades. The First Crusade, 1096 to 1099, a shocking victory. European knights captured Jerusalem, establishing Crusade estates. The Second Crusade, 1147 to 1149. A major flop. The Crusaders failed to retake Edessa. The Third Crusade, 1189 to 1192. Cue the legends, Richard the Lionheart versus Saladin. They reach a truce, securing access for Christian pilgrims. The Fourth Crusade, 1202 to 1204. Plot twist. Instead of the Holy Land, the Crusaders sack Constantinople, dealing a devastating blow to the Byzantine Empire. Want proof? Archaeologists have uncovered fascinating artifacts at sites like Crac des Chevaliers, revealing the military genius of the Crusaders. And chronicles like those of William of Tyre paint vivid pictures of their triumphs and tragedies. Here's where it gets interesting. The Crusades weren't just about swords and shields. They sparked a massive cultural exchange. From the Middle East, Crusaders brought back exotic spices like saffron, cinnamon, and pepper. Groundbreaking scientific ideas preserved in Arabic texts. Advanced agricultural techniques that revolutionized European farming. You can even see this exchange in architecture. Crusader churches borrowed elements from Islamic designs, blending East and West in stone and mortar. The Crusades reshaped the world in ways that lasted centuries. Religious intolerance. They deepened divisions between Christians and Muslims, fueling mistrust that still echoes today. Political shifts. European monarchies grew stronger as feudalism weakened. Cultural fusion, ideas shared during the Crusades, influenced everything from the Renaissance to the Islamic Golden Age. And while the Crusades brought conflict, they also sowed the seeds of globalization and interconnectedness. Hollywood loves the drama of the Crusades. Movies like Kingdom of Heaven bring these epic tales to life. And it's not just films. Historical novels like Walter Scott's The Talisman and other modern scholarly works keep the Crusades relevant for new generations. Do you have a favorite book or movie about the Crusades? Let us know in the comments. The Crusades weren't just wars. They were a collision of worlds, shaping cultures, politics, and religion in profound ways. Their legacy is a mix of division and discovery, conflict and connection. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Crusades. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to drop a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand our present.